Quick market update, guys. Let's look at fear and greed index. We're gonna take a look at BTC. Last time we kind of analyzed a very quick update on BTC and the market overall. So right now, if you could take a look, the fear and greed is pretty low. We were for last week we were at 40. Now we're down to 33. Let's take a look at BTC. At this time, we're taking a look at a daily time frame. As you know, I predicted the market was forming a bear flag, and this whole breakout that we had was just a fake out. It's actually played exactly as I predicted. You know, as you can see, the market is doing what it's supposed to do. I've been shorting the market since the day I told you guys. And you know, as you can see, I'm in very, very positive trading right now. But I'm expecting, if we look at the RSI right here at the bottom, we are, I don't know how long it will take, but we might get a reverse even maybe in the weekend or next week. We might get a pullback right here, and then just come down and probably come and retest the 18, 19, 18. Of course, I'm gonna exit. I'm not gonna test it if it goes even lower than 20,000. But I'm expecting a pullback. Pullback right here, retest it, and then continue going down. We might get we might get a flash, a flash out might come down to 17 or even go lower. If it goes lower than 17, the $12,000 predicting might come true, guys. So what's next? For BTC, for the crypto market, not looking too good. But what else we can take? We can take a look at a 4 hours time frame, and let's just go back to a daily time frame. Want you guys to see the volume. If you can see, the volumes actually increase. Since June 11th, increase and then lower, but since July the 8th, as you can see, the volume has increased, but at the same time, if you can take a look right here, this lighter green is sell. There's more selling that's happening than buying. This dark green is buying. So as you can see, we kind of enter into a selling spring. So there's a lot of people selling. So I'm expecting that this selling spring kind of lower for probably next week. I don't think there's a lot of people selling, but I know Celsius has some Bitcoin that they're gonna sell. That might be it, because this is a very sharp dropping right here. So it might be Celsius in some big offloading the BTC before it gets to lower prices. So guys, right now the market, as I told you before, I told the last video, we're not in a bull market. We had a good release rally. It was pretty good. It went up to 25. It kind of hit what I was expecting. I was expecting to actually go up to 24, Actually went over what I was expecting, 25. But he came back, you know, he came back. So he's still, as you know, uh, if you're a trader, you can trade in a bull and a bad market. You just gotta really be careful because when you're in a bad market, you get this uh, type of drops and flash out that happen in the market. And if you get caught up, you might lose most of your account. If you take a look, this type of flash out, this drop, we had one here on the 16th of June, and we have two, one on the 17th. If you take a look, we have one on the 18th of July. You had another one right here, the 25th. You can see there's like a pattern. And now we got one on August 20th. So, you know, just be careful. Uh, so I will keep you guys update. But right now, what I'm seeing is overbought right here. So on the R side, it's overbought. So we might get we might get uh, like a reverse within week. I don't know if the weekend we might get a reverse. Because we pretty overbought right now. So we might not. Oh, but next week we'll probably get oh, you know, a reverse happening here in the market. So I wouldn't say a rally. Might just come and retest. Probably come and retest the 23, 22, and just come down again. So on the lower time frame, 4 hour time frame, we actually, uh, if you take a look here, as I was telling you in a daily time frame, mine hourly, 4 hour time frame, we have retested it. We have retested the 23. That was telling you in a daily time frame. Now, I'm expecting the market to come and retest that. But on a 4 hour time frame, it has retested again. And then you know what happened? So now it retested. It came down again. So uh, on a lower time frame, that already happened. If we even go lower, you can see that probably retested twice. Let's just see. Let me open up so you guys can see it as well. Um, yeah, retested right here once and twice. And then you know what happened, right? It had a breakout very simply. Uh, Market did this. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, that, had a breakout. Is doing the same thing here. Pin, drop, retested, and then another sharp drop. And this time, uh, we actually, this time might get this, retest it, and keep going down. So right now, uh, for those bulls, not in a good position to start, uh, you know, long in the market, because tell you guys, this bad market might last for as long as most of us are not expecting, because things are getting really bad. As I told you before, I have a couple of videos that I showed you guys how the market is going. So just go over my channel. There's a couple of videos there. Uh, so the market, as I told you before, the market is not showing some overall the global market, the global economy. It's not as strong as we wanted. So it's not showing any signs to to get us bullish for the next 3 to 4 months. So the numbers for most of the global economy, especially the bigger ones, they're not good. They just not good, guys. It doesn't mean they're not other markets that you can actually make money. So all right, guys. So uh, I apologize. Just kind of woke up and decided to do an update. Uh, you know, so you guys can make some good decisions in terms of investing and trading. So for those traders, it might be a good opportunity, but at the same time, uh, you gotta know when to invest and when to kind of put a pause or just do your DCA. At the same time, guys, there's a news that came out. I might do a video about that. Is that uh, the regulators in the United States has banned a company, a crypto company that's called Tornado Cash, which is a privacy coin. And I was big in privacy because I thought maybe later on with regulation they might come back or not. But the privacy coins are getting really, really heat up because of that. There's a couple exchanges actually uh, blocking some of the privacy coins. Just wanted to show you what I'm talking about. But you guys can take a look. There's the news all over the place about the Tornado Cash. Tornado Cat was a privacy. So what we'll do even better. We go to a category and we just take a look at our privacy coins and you see what I mean. Maybe I'll do a 24 hours. Yeah. Right here. Right. As you can see, Monero is actually even the stronger one, actually dropped very. So this is the category for privacy. Those ones even. See, they all dropped 20%, 14%. Yeah, I don't know if because of what happened to Tornado Cash, it might just you know might destroy this category, but it might not. So who knows? Here it is. Yeah. So you see, since the news, look, market cap was. I remember the market cap was so high. I think it was in between 500 million, even a billion. But now look at that, 15 million. 15 million. Wow. Wow. It's 97.7% drop in 24 hours since that news. It dropped 13%. So liquidity, actually more than even the market cap. So yeah. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see if if this category will survive or not. But right now, doesn't look too good. But you know, You guys know I've been very spoken in terms of this category. So all right guys. So I'll keep you guys updated. Uh don't forget to subscribe, like, and have a good weekend, guys. Good weekend.